Hi friends, I know you like it when I draw monsters, especially Thomas the Spider. So this time I will draw him chasing a man. The drawing is quite simple. You may have some difficulties only drawing the man's hand. The key to drawing pictures with two colors is ensuring that the shadows on all objects are consistent. First, choose where your light source is. In my case, it is in the upper right corner. All the light and shadows in the picture should align with that light source. This perspective drawing is actually quite simple. It just might seem complicated at first. When drawing in perspective, always start with the foreground objects. For example, we have a hand in the foreground, which is why it looks so big. Objects closer to us appear larger, while those further away appear smaller. As always, I use a Sharpie for contouring. To fill large areas like the shadow under the hand, I use a thick marker. The Sharpie is also good for shading, although you can use an even thinner marker or pen for this as well. After drawing the hand, move on to the face. This part is relatively simple. Start by drawing the eyes, then add the nose, mouth, surprised eyebrows, and hair. Don't forget to extend the arm correctly. It should be under the palm, as I show. Also, draw the neck and add shadows using hatching. Why use hatching at all? It helps to define the shape of a surface, create the illusion of volume in your drawing, convey the texture of different materials. I use basic hatching techniques. Consistency is key. Each stroke should be similar in length and thickness. Are you interested in learning more about hatching and its techniques? While I've covered the basics here, I can explore this topic in more depth in a separate video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Finally, add black eyes and wrinkles to the face to give your character a more frightened appearance. I decided to add more shadow to his face and make his eyebrows thicker. Now, let's move on to Thomas. You don't have to draw his face immediately. You can start by marking where it will go. I draw a circle to indicate the position of Thomas's face, then proceed to the other parts of the drawing. I use a thick marker to add shadows and apply shading where it seems necessary. Next, I outline Thomas's large spider legs and add shadows and shading to them. Finally, I draw Thomas's face, including his nose, mouth, and eyes. To make the eyes look scarier, I add black smudges, leaving only the white pupils. I also add his menacing teeth and additional shadows. And that's it for the drawing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps my channel grow. Don't forget to check out my other monster videos, and I'll see you soon in the next video.